Take it easy, eh? It's opening smoothly. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, rubber now I want to move that whole design. Now we're showing design. Yeah, just the pipes. Just the pipes. Hey, close it. Just the pipes. Yeah, just the pipe with the plates. Yeah, you can see the pipe, very thick one. Yeah, the pipe, very thick one. That is 4 inches. 4 inches by 2 inches. With round pipes, 2 mm thickness. And the plate too. Yeah, that's how it comes. Yeah. Okay, open me, please. Hey, open. Alright. Daniel. With 8 burger proofs too. With 8 burger proofs too. Yeah. Mighty hands. And then I be more. Teishi. Burger proof installing. And then our gate. Yeah, our station. TV running back to Tema. Yeah. Boga, yeah, that's it. That is Doctor. Thank you so much for your opportunity. We really appreciate working with you. Thanks so much, Father. Yeah. Good morning. Mighty Hands Metalwork. Yeah, and then I be PM Cantamansu ECG Estate. Said the burger proof for Pebiaba. Send a woman him say and Debiano. And no, I don't know. Installation is custom. This is how the place was before we come. So very soon, yeah, you will be seeing our metal works fixed inside the downstairs. Yeah, you see how we are on the down floor. So yeah, this is how we came to meet the project. Yeah, this is the first floor, second to third. So mighty, we are the down floor now. Rasta no smoke by the chop metal. When you talk of gaku, come could chop metal, we there go get me. See that thing? That DNA mighty ni Damasio Ajumapa Kasa. I'm sure handwriting Ekoyi from China to Dubai. Yaseho nyina. Temali yaseho. Boko, Boliga, Wale, Paga. Shangama. Shangama is Lego Hills, Makati Hill, and Hifa. We did there. Anywhere you push, we did. Now your console, we they live there. We they live legacies for there. You see that thing? Allah, Wale. Yeah, mighty near. The materials no there. Quality one, solid one. And I do man also very neat pa and candada. Mighty hands. Juma de friend there, bro. Sure. India bro. Yeah, we're done with the spraying. So this is it. This is the pipes. Yeah. I have some here. I also have some here. Yeah. But daddy, I'm thinking since we'll be wrapping rubber on this, it takes some day for the paint to dry well. And if you put the rubber on it, it might fault, might peel the paint off. So I'm thinking of wrapping them tomorrow afternoon, so that Monday early morning sharp, yeah, we'll transport them to the site, and then arrange each burger proof to 8 window. Then the masons can carry on from there. Then it will be work start on Monday. So please, if you are in agreement with me, then we'll make this in, because I don't want the paint to peel off. So by the close of tomorrow, then we'll add the rubber to it to prevent the mortar stain on the burger proof. So please, I beg you, let me hear from you. Mighty, I go. Kinde. Ooh. Mighty hands, Ebinio. Wow. Zizai, Zizai. Abotum kama. Ejumapa. Wow.
So that was Frank for you from Mighty Metal Works, and that is his number on the screen. If you need a service, you can get in touch with him directly. He does, a lot of stuff, tables, chairs with wood design. If you want to see more, you go to my playlist, you look for Mighty Metal Works, and then you click on it, and then you see all of the job that he has done through the channel here. Amazing jobs here, and I'll use this opportunity to thank each and everyone who have used the service of Frank. You can testify for yourself that Frank is an amazing guy, and so far I haven't heard any complaint about any delay or he not responding to things. And if you check in my videos, you see that he always try to, explain what he's doing. He doesn't finish the work before showing you what he has done. Whilst he's working at the workshop, he's making videos, sending you, sharing ideas with you like you saw in the video. Frank is the guy, man. So please get in touch with him. And this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent on the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next episode. Like, do we?